Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've been getting lot many messages asking me how you can apply off campus. So this is one of the major problem. So I'm going to answer to this problem very precisely and to the point because there are very limited sources. So do watch this video till the end. So the first way, and this is the only way, like from where everyone comes to know that this company is hiring, and this is the only way the companies have through which they can tell that okay, we require people, which is the career site. So you have to check career sites regularly. So what I used to do is I used to bookmark them, and within a week I used to check one or two times that whether this company is hiring or not. This, trust me, this is the only way uh, from where you can get to know that whether the company is hiring or not. Second is LinkedIn. So follow all the company pages over LinkedIn because they also post under the job section whether they are for whichever opportunity or whichever role they want to hire. Second is you can send requests to the people on LinkedIn for the company for which you want to apply. Like suppose you want to apply for Microsoft, so search on LinkedIn. You'll find people, you can send requests to them. Now if you're lucky enough, you'll get to chat with them. They will reply to your messages, and you can ask them whether the company is planning to hire or not. If company is expanding, definitely they will require more people, and they will definitely hire. So keep a check on that. Again, on the career site also. Only third is you have to follow all these pages. Who keep on posting regular posts that that this company is hiring, and if you want to apply, comment interested. It's completely your wish whether you want to comment interested or not, but there might be a possibility that that company might be hiring. So again, go to its career site. That suppose again Microsoft, suppose that post is that Microsoft is hiring, comment interested. So go on the career site of Microsoft and check whether the company is hiring for that role or not. If hiring, then apply there. Now again, I know that people will have doubt, how to apply there as well, because like I didn't know how to apply. So I asked some of my seniors and they guided me how you can search, how you can apply over there as well. So I will be making a video on this as well, that how you can apply on career site. So wait for a day or two. I'll be soon uploading that video. And last is there is a job section in LinkedIn. So you can go there, you can see all the companies, you can see some of the companies hiring over there. So you can again like you can search software engineer, so it will show the companies which are searching for software engineers, and you can see in the job description. Now one of the main point is always read the job description. So if you are a fresher and a job description is mentioning 1 year or 2 year of experience, uh, they'll not hire you. Apply, doesn't matter, they'll not hire you. They'll not ask you for the interview as well. So no need to apply to all those posts because they are not for you, they are for experienced people. If they are not requiring experience, then apply over there. And one more thing, whenever you apply, suppose you are applying for Google, okay, so make sure you are prepared for Google. Why? Because if you apply and they take the interview, they put you in the interview process, and this if you're not prepared, definitely you will fail. And when you'll fail, then there is a cool down period. So every company has a different cool down period. So suppose cool down period is for 1 year. Now you cannot apply for 1 year in Google. Even if you will apply, they'll not put you in the interview process. So this is a disadvantage. So what I would suggest you is, whenever you are ready, like be honest to yourself. Keep studying, keep practicing coding, and whenever you are ready, then only apply. If there is a hiring, if hiring is going on, then you can apply. If not, then you can wait till the company starts hiring. Third is all these Naukri sites, like InstaHire, Indeed.com, Naukri.com. So again, like you do shopping, you apply filters. On all these Naukri sites, you can again search for jobs and apply over there as well. So these are some of the ways from where you can apply off campus. I only was dependent on career side, and some of the points that I mentioned here on LinkedIn, I never went to all these third Naukri sites. So that's it. That's it from my side. If you have any other way, do tell me in the comment section. Everyone would love to hear. At least I would love to hear. So if you like the video, you can like my video, you can share my video, and for more updates, you can subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. I'll see you next time.